Hi everyone and welcome to another episode of Fitu's Thai Kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you a nutritious protein packed drink using soybean. So if that sounds good to you, stick around. Roll intro. Okay, so here we have the soybeans. These have been soaked overnight and the cover has been removed. And then we have luk dui, otherwise known as Chinese pearl barley or Job's tears, and mit mang lak, which is lemon basil seed. So the amount of water is going to be 5 litres. So we're going to divide that by 3 because our blender is not big enough. So we've got 1.5 litres in there, and then we're going to divide the soybean by 3 as well. All right, so add to the water. Then we're going to blend this bad boy. Alright, and then we filter this. So we're going to do this 3 times. We'll show you just the once. We're going to do it. Alright, so we've got the soybean concoction on the gas. Just keep stirring this so that it doesn't stick to the bottom. And then the Job's tears into the water, and we're gonna cook those as well at the same time. Alright, so this has been cooking now for
15 minutes.
15 minutes, my lovely assistant informs me. So we're going to add some sugar just to sweeten, just take the edge off the bean taste. We put 3 tablespoons. You could not put any in, and just when people are getting a drink for themselves, they can sweeten themselves. Up to you. You could use brown sugar, you can use sweetener, you could even use honey. Okay, so that's perfect. And luk dui, we cooked about 15 minutes as well, and that's lovely. You see they've swollen up, gorged with water. Really nice, chewy, nutty flavour. Okay, so here we are draining the Job's tears. Oh my goodness. So here we are. So we're going to put our Chinese pearl barley, otherwise known as luk dui. Don't be shy. And then mit mang lak. So these are lemon basil seeds. And then so the pearl barley, mit mang lak, and with a soybean. Great combination, a great breakfast. So it looks interesting with the mit mang lak for the fibre, protein, carbs, vitamins and minerals. Highly nutritious. So this is a perfect breakfast, full of nutrition, fillers like the barley and the soybean milk. So I'm going to enjoy my drink. We'll see you next time. Let me get some of that. See you next time. Sorry. Stay safe. If there's any requests for dishes that people are looking to find, please drop us a line. I think the dish that will drop this Friday will be khao pad bul, which is a Thai special fried rice with crab meat, which is another favourite of mine. And it might be upsetting Uncle Roger a little bit in that video. So we'll hope to see you then. All right, take care. Bye.